Welcome to this comprehensive step-by-step visual guide that demonstrates the complete process of installing porcelain tiles on the side wall of a waterfall feature. This video is more than just a tutorial. It's a full journey into the professional techniques, tools and methods required to transform a plain, vertical concrete surface into a breathtaking porcelain-clad masterpiece. Whether you're a homeowner aiming to upgrade your outdoor space or a professional tile installer looking to refine your skills, this video offers a wealth of knowledge shown in real time, without voiceovers or distractions. We begin by showing you how to assess the wall and prepare it correctly for tiling. This includes surface cleaning, applying the appropriate primer or bonding agent, and ensuring the area is perfectly level and structurally ready for tile installation. Preparation is a key step often overlooked, and in this video we highlight its importance to ensure the tiles adhere properly and last for years to come, even in environments that are constantly exposed to water, humidity, and outdoor weather conditions. The tiling phase is covered in rich visual detail. You'll see how to spread the tile adhesive evenly across vertical surfaces using the correct type of notched trowel, how to align porcelain tiles precisely, and how to maintain equal spacing using tile leveling systems to prevent lippage and ensure smooth, flat results. You'll also witness how each tile is placed carefully and pressed to eliminate air gaps behind the tile, which is essential for durability in wet settings like waterfall walls or pool surrounds. Cutting porcelain tiles is another focus of this tutorial. You'll learn how to measure and mark tricky cuts, how to handle power tools like wet saws and grinders safely and accurately, and how to make clean adjustments around edges, corners, and irregular shapes near the top and bottom of the waterfall. Even if you've never cut tiles before, this demonstration makes the process clear and approachable. The video then takes you through the final stages: checking the alignment, cleaning excess adhesive before it hardens, and preparing for grouting. We show you the correct timing and technique for applying grout on vertical joints and between tiles, ensuring the entire surface remains waterproof and aesthetically unified. Finally, you'll see how to clean and polish the entire wall for a smooth, professional, and visually striking finish that highlights the natural shine of the porcelain tiles. By the end of this video, you will have watched the complete transformation of a blank wall into a luxurious tiled surface that adds elegance and value to any outdoor water feature. This project combines both beauty and practicality, creating an eye-catching focal point while protecting the structure beneath. This video is created without voice commentary so that it can be easily understood by viewers from all around the world. Every detail is shown slowly and clearly so that even beginners can follow along. Whether you're watching for education, inspiration, or both, this guide will give you insight into the craftsmanship behind professional tile work. We invite you to sit back, focus on the details, and enjoy the art of porcelain tile installation in its purest form. If you find this video useful or inspiring, feel free to explore our channel for more tutorials and real-world installation projects in bathrooms, kitchens, pools, facades, and garden features. Thank you for watching. In addition to the main installation process, this video showcases the small yet critical adjustments that make a real difference in the final outcome. You'll see how to deal with alignment corrections in real time, how to compensate for surface imperfections on the wall, and how to maintain perfect symmetry when tiling around water outlets or decorative curves. These fine adjustments are what separate amateur work from professional craftsmanship, and we ensure every step is shown up close, in detail. You'll also notice that this project uses high-grade porcelain tiles, chosen not just for their aesthetic appeal but also for their resistance to water, stains, fading, and cracking. These tiles are ideal for exterior installations, especially around water features where constant moisture and sunlight exposure are common. Throughout the video, you'll see how to handle large format or medium format tiles safely, including lifting, setting, and spacing them, with minimal risk of breakage or misalignment. For viewers interested in tools and materials, this video visually introduces the essential equipment, from tile cutters and spacers to adhesive types, grout, floats, spirit levels, and cleaning sponges. Even if you don't have access to high-end tools, the video demonstrates how smart techniques and precision can deliver professional results using basic or accessible tools with the same effectiveness. Moreover, the video captures the rhythm and patience that this kind of installation requires. There's a focus on work ethic and attention to detail, and how every tile is approached as part of a larger visual harmony. You'll get a feel for the actual time and effort that goes into high-quality tile work. No shortcuts, no fast-forwards, just authentic, real-time progress from start to finish. Once the tiling and grouting are complete, we showcase the final cleaning and polishing stage. This is a crucial step in making the porcelain tiles truly shine and in removing any remaining residue that might dull the surface. The finished result is smooth, bright, and beautifully reflective. The kind of surface you'd expect in luxury, resorts, or designer outdoor spaces. For homeowners, this video offers a clear visual benchmark for quality. For professionals, it's a reminder of best practices and finishing standards. For DIY enthusiasts, it serves as both education and motivation to take on meaningful, rewarding projects with confidence. This waterfall wall tiling tutorial is part of a larger series focused on outdoor and wet area tile installations. If you enjoy this kind of detailed, tool-by-tool, step-by-step content, we invite you to explore our full video library, where you'll find everything from foundation preparation and surface leveling to advanced decorative tiling, pool edge, work, staircases, and more. Thank you once again for choosing to spend your time with this video. We believe in sharing knowledge through action, and we're glad to have you with us on this journey. Your support helps us continue creating visual guides that are accessible, clear, and professionally crafted, designed to inspire excellence in every corner of the construction world. What truly sets this project apart, and what we hope you notice in every frame of this video, is the level of care, focus, and precision invested in the smallest actions. Tile installation, especially on vertical surfaces like a waterfall wall, is not just about placing one tile next to another. It's a layered craft that balances geometry, surface tension, materials science, aesthetics, and patience. This video seeks to capture that spirit, offering a rare, uninterrupted look into the process from the perspective of the installer's own hands. As you watch, you'll notice how each tile is handled with intention, how the adhesive is spread to ensure maximum coverage, how each corner is double-checked for levelness, how slight adjustments are made to maintain flow and symmetry across the wall. This is not a race to finish quickly. It's a visual meditation on craftsmanship, showing how discipline and consistency yield results that feel effortless, even though each step was carefully considered. Another powerful aspect of this project is the natural interaction between the porcelain and water. Once complete, this tile wall will become part of a living water feature, where flowing water enhances the depth and shine of the porcelain surface. That's why the tile placement, orientation, and spacing matter even more here. They affect how light reflects off wet surfaces, how water runs down the lines, and how clean the final look appears, not only from up close, but from a distance as well. We also take great care to ensure that the structural integrity of the installation remains intact. Outdoor and water feature tile jobs are exposed to temperature changes, pressure, and continuous moisture. In this tutorial, we demonstrate the techniques necessary to reduce common failures like tile detachment, water infiltration behind tiles, or grout erosion. The materials used, from flexible adhesives to water-resistant grouts, are chosen specifically to withstand harsh outdoor conditions and provide longevity that goes beyond aesthetics. This video is also a quiet reminder of something deeper, that even hard materials like stone and porcelain can be shaped with care and turned into something beautiful through skilled human effort. It's a reminder that craftsmanship still matters in a fast-paced world. Each moment you spend watching this process is also a form of appreciation for quality work, for silent knowledge, and for the kind of manual skill that has been passed down through generations and adapted with modern tools. The silent format of this video is intentional. It allows you to focus entirely on the work, to hear the sound of each tool, the brush of a trowel, the settling of a tile into place. This immersive experience helps viewers around the world understand the process intuitively, regardless of language. Whether you're watching in Morocco, Brazil, Indonesia, or Italy, the language of the hands is universal. This is a space where professionals and learners can meet without words, sharing the same admiration for the discipline of building something that lasts. We hope this video serves as a valuable resource, whether you're here to improve your tiling technique, seek inspiration for a project of your own, or simply enjoy the satisfaction of watching something difficult done well. Our goal is not just to teach, but to document, to preserve the real work that goes into transforming rough spaces into refined ones, using tools, material, skill, and time. Feel free to return to this video as many times as you like. Pause, rewind, study the movements. Let it be part of your learning journey. And when you're ready, bring what you've learned into your own projects and pass it on to others. Thank you again for watching, for your support, and for believing in the value of skilled, honest work. Behind every tile you see on this waterfall wall lies a moment of decision. A conscious choice to align, adjust, clean, correct, and commit. What may look like simple repetition is, in fact, an ongoing dialogue between the artisan and the material. The hand feels resistance in the trowel, the eye reads the subtle slope of the wall, the body adjusts posture and movement to maintain balance. All of this happens in silence, yet carries meaning deeper than words can express. As you watch, the final tiles go into place, and as the full design of the wall begins to emerge, you'll sense something beyond construction. You'll witness transformation. The way ordinary, empty space is gradually claimed and shaped into something with presence and dignity. This is the essence of true craftsmanship. It's not only about execution, but about elevation, raising the standard, raising the quality, and raising the spirit of the place being built. In today's world, where speed and convenience often take priority, we believe there is still immense value in slowness done well. This is why we film every movement without commentary, without background music, without distraction. Just you and the work in real time. It's our way of honoring the process and inviting you, the viewer, to slow down with us and pay attention to the quiet power of skill. Not everything valuable is loud. Sometimes the most meaningful things are built in complete silence. This project is also a reflection of respect. Respect for the space being tiled, for the materials being used, and for the people who will one day walk by this wall, touch its surface, or sit nearby and listen to the sound of water falling over porcelain. Maybe they won't know how it was made. Maybe they won't see the hundreds of careful adjustments, but you know. And now you've seen it happen with your own eyes. We created this video not just for those who already know the trade, but also for beginners who are just starting to fall in love with it. If you're holding a trowel for the first time, or if you're dreaming of building your own home one day, or if you simply enjoy watching skilled work come to life, this video is for you. Every project starts with curiosity, grows with practice, and evolves through passion. Let this be one of many steps in your journey toward mastery. To all the builders, the thinkers, the detail lovers, we thank you. Your support means we can continue filming these real moments in real places using real tools and time. Every view, every like, every comment helps this channel grow into a resource for anyone who values quality over shortcuts and depth over decoration. This waterfall wall may now be finished, but the story doesn't end here. There are more walls to cover, more techniques to share, more problems to solve, and more beauty to uncover in the world of tiles, marble, terrazzo, and stone. Stay with us, return often, and most importantly, keep building with your hands, your heart, and your full attention. Until the next project. From our workbench to yours, thank you. There is something timeless about working with your hands. In every culture throughout history, the act of shaping stone, cutting lines, aligning surfaces, these are not just tasks, but echoes of something much older. In a world where machines are replacing more and more of what humans used to do, this kind of manual skill becomes even more valuable. It's not just about finishing a job. It's about preserving a connection to something real, something grounded, something built to last. Tile installation, especially in challenging spaces like waterfall walls, requires more than technical knowledge. It requires patience, inner calm, and a kind of personal discipline that few talk about. You must be willing to repeat the same motion again and again with the same level of care. You must learn to accept the weight of time, to slow down when you want to rush, to keep going when you're tired, and to stay focused even when no one is watching. This is not just a